Hi everybody, this is Santiago Brown. I'm going to show you today how to make a spiral in Grasshopper. First thing you want to do is draw a circle. The next thing you want to do is get the diameter of that circle. I'm using deconstruct arc to get the radius, multiplying it by 2. Next you want to take that number and you want to decide how tall do you want to draw your cone. So at the end of the day we're going to be making a cone. So I've decided to make mine 2 point something and just gives a little bit of flexibility to the code. Next is the amount of divisions. So what I've done is I've taken that number, the height, and I've basically divided it. I've taken, what did I do? The height factor, divided it by the number of divisions, which I've set down here. The height factor divided by the number of divisions, and that creates my step between each curve as it goes up the z direction, right? So as I change my divisions, that step will also change. Next, I'm going to take these curves, I'm going to get the area of them, I'm going to deconstruct them to get the z height for each of these different curves, and then I'm going to remap those using bounds and remap numbers to give me a scaling factor for each that'll be unique. So my target has been 1 to 0.1, and now if I change this to 0.5, you can see the scaling changes on its way up. I'll keep this on so you can see what's going on for the next one. Now I'm going to divide these into an amount that I've also set down here, which is divisions. And then I'm going to draw a polyline. But first, before I draw that polyline, I need to grab the first point in the first curve, second point in the second curve, third point in the third curve, fourth point in the fourth curve, etc. as it goes up. And the way to do that is to use a list item. And basically, what you're saying is in the first list, I want the first item, second list, I want the second item. So you need to create a series of the amount of curves you have in your list and step through them just 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've created 13 local values from 0 to 12. And then I graphed that because all of these are also branches. So at the end of the day, that gives me something like this. Then I'm going to draw a polyline between them. And check it out. Now I have my custom spiral, and I have some adaptability within it. So I can change kind of the smoothness, and I can also change the scaling factor. Thanks for watching.